Actor Michael Weatherly in Jamaica enjoying the tropical climate. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Jamaica is where actor Michael Weatherly Hartis currently is, and the Hollywood star is lyrically waxing about the vacation time on the island with his wife, daughter and son. Taken to his ex-social media account on December 27, the actor most famous for his 13-season-long role as Special Agent Anthony on the hit CBS military police procedural series, NCIS, posted a nighttime video planning to show inside and outside his luxury villa in western Jamaica. Weatherly is no stranger to the land of wood and water. According to his website, he has always been traveling to Jamaica since he was a child and always been drawn to the community there. Weatherly's connection runs deep, as he has been actively involved in philanthropic activities with local based trial fund for several years.
Diving in Jamaica, anybody? Look at this water. Nice and clear, man. Now what do we think? We haven't seen the shark yet.
It's over that side, where the other guys went.
Where the other guys didn't come back.
Yeah.
What? I wish I could take you underwater with me, but I can't. So,
Yeah. What is we already done, right?
2023.
Yeah.
It's a good time to be in Jamaica. So what do we have? A shark down there?
Yeah, nurse shark.
Yeah, we got a big 8-foot nurse shark. Yeah, man, let's go find him.
Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.